welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing 5-minute easy hairstyles for dirty hair. So I know that during the school year or the work season, or if you have college or anything like that, sometimes you don't always have time to wash your hair. I know that it kind of changes how you feel about yourself personally, because even though you may have taken a shower, you just didn't wash your hair, you still just feel gross because you got hair that... So I'm going to be showing you guys some hairstyles that have been my go-to when my hair is dirty, but I don't have time to wash it. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So this first hairstyle is the headband braid, and what you're going to want to do is divide a corner section of hair and split it into 3 pieces. So if you guys know how to Dutch braid, this is very similar, except you're not adding hair to one side. So once you start that first part of the braid, you're going to add hair and cross it under with the right strand. And then when you cross the left strand under, you're not going to pick up any hair. Then crossing under again with the right strand, you're going to add another piece of hair to it. Adding that to the middle, like you just did, crossing under the left strand, not picking up hair, crossing under the right strand, and adding a piece of hair. Crossing under the left, not adding hair, crossing under the right, adding a piece of hair. So you're just going to repeat that process until you finished grabbing sections of hair from the ear up. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to braid it all the way down and secure it with an elastic. So then you're going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side of your head. Into 3 sections, crossing under, then crossing the right strand under, then crossing the left strand under, and adding a piece of hair. Then you're going to cross the right strand under, don't pick up any hair, and then cross under the left strand and add a piece of hair. And you're just going to do the exact same thing. Then once you're done, you'll be left with 2 little braids kind of like this, and after that you're going to bring it to the back of your head and secure it with an elastic. And voila! So this next hairstyle is the Ballerina Bun, and I find myself doing this hairstyle all the time because it's so simple and so easy. So you're just going to want to gather your hair as if you were putting it into a ponytail and brush out any bumps, because a lot of ballerina buns are nice and tight and very secure. Then you're just going to twist your hair and just twist and twist and twist, and then you're going to kind of twist it into a bun and secure it with an elastic. So it is not perfect, but you can go ahead and take some bobby pins and just secure it to your liking. So here I'm just pulling out some pieces right here, not at the top of my head because I don't want it to look super messy, but yeah, this is the finished ballerina bun. So I'm pretty sure every girl knows how to do this hairstyle. It's just a basic ponytail, but I find myself doing this hairstyle a lot too, so I figured I would just throw it in and show you guys anyway. So basically you're just going to collect the hair at the top of your head and secure it with an elastic. Then you can just pull out pieces and make it a little bit messier, fix the ponytail, and voila, you have your ponytail. So this next hairstyle is definitely one of my favorites. It is the side fishtail, and to start off, you're just going to want to make a really deep part, and then taking the side with less hair, you're going to bring it over to the other side. What I'm doing here is just kind of loosening it up so it's not super tight and like pulled, I guess. Then once it's all on one side, you can loosen it up and pull some pieces out so it's a little bit more on the messy, relaxed side, and then secure it with an elastic. So to start off, you're just going to split your hair into 2 sections. Then taking your pointer fingers, you're going to push the hair like so and cross each section over to the other side. And it's kind of going to make an X just like that. Crossing it over again, and then you're going to repeat the process, poking through with your pointer fingers, crossing each side over, and you're just going to continue the entire way down. And then you're just going to secure it with an elastic once you're done. So I'm just taking a piece of hair and wrapping it around the hair tie. It just kind of gives it more of a messy look, and yeah. So this is the finished look. It's very easy and very cute. So this next hairstyle is very easy. You're going to want to start with a middle part, and it's basically just 2 French braids. So you're going to want to start with 3 sections again, and then like a Dutch braid, you're crossing over to the middle, but instead of crossing under, you're crossing over. So you're going to want to start that, and when you cross over the second time, you're going to hold that strand and add a section of hair along with it. Then you're going to take the left strand, crossing it over, and add a piece of hair as well. Then you're going to take that strand on the right, cross it over, and add another section of hair. Then you're going to take the left side, add a piece of hair, and cross it over. So I went ahead and finished one side, and now I'm going to go do the other. And voila! Once you're done, you're just going to want to take some hairspray and secure everything in place. So I did pull some pieces loose, and this is the finished look. So that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up for more hairstyle tutorials like this. Also, comment down below if you guys can't braid, because if you can't, I'll do another easy 5-minute 5 hairstyle kind of video for those who can't braid, and it'll just be more like simple hairstyles. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and maybe turn on my post notifications so you get a little message whenever I upload a video to YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. All I need is by my side, thick and thin.